Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the classes now. We'll continue our geography lesson. Land degradation and conservation steps. So, here are some points I've written. In our previous class, we have talked about the land degradation. There are many causes, there are many factors for land degradations. We were talking about India. Here, number one, we have talked yesterday in our previous class. In India, we have 130 million hectares of wasteland or degraded land at present. 130 million hectares of degraded land at present in India we have. So it's such a big area, that is. It is degraded due to number of factors. Here I have written certain factors, their causes also and the area also. What are the factors for degradation of land? Factors are deforestation. Deforestation takes place for various purposes. For raw materials, for construction work. But the main cause of deforestation is mining. For mining, especially in Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, in these areas, mining takes place. And for mining, they cleared the big area of forest. So deforestation for mining purposes, especially in Jharkhand, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. And number two, overgrazing of land for herding, especially the people who graze their animals. Overgrazing will lead to land degradation because the animals eat up all the plants. Once the plant finishes, they will eat up all the roots. They take out the roots and eat. And what happens? Once the roots are taken out, the land becomes dry, and when the wind blows, the dust will be blown out. And when it rains, the topsoil will be washed away. So, overgrazing, it is for herding. Overgrazing by the herders, especially in Gujarat. Gujarat, you know, it rains very less there. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. These are semi-arid areas, and here the plant doesn't grow well. So the herders, their animals, eat up all the plants, even the roots, and make the soil more infertile, and the land degrades, unfit for growing anything. Even the grass doesn't grow. Why? Because the roots are eaten by the animals. Overgrazing is also one of the cause of land degradation. Over irrigation, especially for farming purposes. For farming, the farmers in Punjab and Haryana, Western UP, Uttar Pradesh, over irrigation takes place in order to grow more crops, to produce more, to feed the growing population. They need to grow as much as they can. And for that, they add fertilizers, insecticides, even irrigation. Over irrigation is done. This will lead to water logging. Water logging means the water will remain there for a longer period. This will increase salinity of the soil. Due to fertilizers, the soil becomes very saline. Especially this takes place in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, where food crops grow in plenty. Abundant crops grow there, and to grow that food crops, they over irrigate the land. Overuse of fertilizers, insecticide, and even water. So this will lead to waterlogging, salinity, and the soil becomes unfit for growing crops. as well as the land degrades. The quality of the land goes down, decreases. Number 4, mineral processing plants. Mineral processing also will lead to degradation of soil and land, because grinding of limestone for cement making, for making cement, grinding of soapstone for ceramics, for potteries, for, as well as grinding of soapstones for making talc in the industries. These grinding of these stones, soap stone, limestone, will generate huge amount of dust, and the dust will naturally pollute the air. Once the dust settles on the ground, it will stop the water from percolating inside the ground. The water cannot percolate or seep inside the ground. The water will remain on the surface only. This will lead to waterlogging, and the groundwater level will go down, because the water cannot percolate or go inside or seep inside the ground. Because of the dust settles there. Fine particles of dust will settle. So this will also degrade the soil. This is one of the factors. Mineral processing. Next one, industrial effluents waste, liquid waste, industrial liquid waste, major source of land and water pollution that will degrade the soil as well as water. The quality of the land and water will go down, degrade, decrease, especially in our country. For development, we need to have industries to produce goods, and the industries produces effluents, waste materials, waste liquids, that is called effluents. It will degrade the soil as well as pollute the water. So industrial effluent is also one of the factor for land degradation as well as water pollution. Now, steps to solve the problem. What steps should be taken to solve this problem? What should be done? The government has to take number of steps. Even at the individual level also, we must think about the environment, about the land, because without land we cannot survive. Land provides us 95% of our necessities. We have talked about in our previous class. 95% of our necessities, food, clothing, medicine, raw materials, housing, infrastructure, everything is done on the land. So the land provides us maximum necessities. Whatever we need, land provides us. And we must take good care of our land. Whatever land we have, we must take good care. But these are the factors that destroy the land. So what should be done? Some steps should be taken. So we'll continue our lesson in our next class, steps to solve the problem. So what steps should be taken at an individual level, or at a community level, or at a state level, or a national level. So all these things we'll talk about in our next class. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you are doing your regular studies at home. Make a habit of going through these online classes so that you will understand. Lesson has to go on, carry on. This is not a holiday. You remember that. You are wise enough to do all these things. Nobody has to tell you, because you are wise enough, you've grown up, you are in class 10, senior student, so you should know what you have to do at home. So that's all for today. We'll meet you as soon as the school opens, but tomorrow we'll meet in our class and continue our lesson. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. That's all for today.